Okay, I only got 4 minutes left on this thing, but I'm out here today. It's, wait, wrong button. It's Friday, 12/32, and somebody said nice. Okay, so 2020, and I just got, what, 4 minutes? So we're out here at Sam's House parking lot. I just played this tape. Played this tape in this machine. That sounds really good. Well, let me flip the tapes over. We did the jack. Remember, we only got a few minutes on this machine, on this tape, on this camera. So eject on that. Take that out. Throw this in here. Hit play. It's heavy weather traffic again. It's heavy weather traffic again. Wherever he lays at, running home. Sounds like this in this machine here. Anyway, that one sounds a lot better than this one, but I like this one better for different reasons. That's all I wanted to show you there. That let's see. Oh, here, I'll throw this up here. It's like, yeah, I like this one better. Okay, but this one has been sold. As the guy wanted an auto reverse cassette deck, and so here it is. So here I'm in the sun, and it sounds like that, looks like that, and that's all we know. Okay, so good day, bye, hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. I'll zoom into it. Yeah. There, so we're about out of, well, we got 2 minutes left. Well, here, let me bring the camera closer. All right. Like I said, we're out here having a discount tire. We're in the Sam's Club parking lot, and I had a flat tire this morning, so that's why I'm here doing this. I'm running out of memory card. 2 minutes left at XP, so that's wide out. So I'm what, 4 feet away, 3 feet away. Play this again briefly. It sounds like that. This one sounds like that's been sold. This is a keeper. That's all we know. Good day, bye-bye. Change cameras once again, maybe, or not. Yep, I'm out of time on this video card. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.